90% will skip this video and the 10% will stay. And if you're one of the 10%, this video is about real estate investment. Especially our topic is regarding to a condo property and how you will use it for investment. Isa nga sa pinakang safe na investment sa buong mundo is a real estate. Pero hindi alam ng lahat kung paano sila magsisimula and kung paano nila ito gagawin. By the way, I am Jared Magnayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. If you are a first-time investor on a real estate, unang-una mong titingnan is yung location. Pag-aralan mo kung yung location ba na ito is merong mga upcoming development or develop na at pwede ka makakuha ng pre-selling property. Take advantage mo yung mga promo and discounts na maaaring i-recommend sa'yo. Mas maganda pa nga kung kakalunch pa lang ng property. Dahil ang real estate investment is not a short-term investment. Dahil dito, mas matagal, mas malaki yung value ng property and mas maaaring tumoble ang kita mo dito or triple pa. Condo property can be used for rental investment and pwede siya for Airbnb. With that, makakabawi ka sa puhunan na nilabas mo and once na kumita ka na or naibalik mo na ang puhunan mo, pwede mo siyang i-resell sa mas malaking halaga na compare sa presyo nung nabili mo siya. This video is Northwind Global City, a newly township by Megaworld Corporation. It is located in Marilao, Bukawi, Bulacan. And meron din itong newly launched condo na pwede kang mag-start ng condo investment mo. And since kaka-launch pa nga lang nito, base price pa lamang siya o hindi pa siya nagpa-price increase. Ibig sabihin nito, this property will be your one of the best option for your first time investment. Now, you can research the location and the upcoming development. To set your expectation, malapit ito sa New Manila International Airport and alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin nito. For more info, you can directly message me and I personally assist you. Follow for more.